Class 11 Chapter Biological Classification Part 1. Now come on the introduction. Aristotle was the earliest who attempted a more scientific basis for classification. He used simple morphological character to classify plant into trees, shrubs and herbs. He divided animal into two groups, those which had red blood cell and other that did not. उन्होंने डिवाइड करे थे एनिमल्स को जिनके पास रेड ब्लड सेल्स हो और जिनके पास नहीं हो, उनको अलग अलग डिफरेंट ग्रुप्स में. Earlier classification he has given that is bacteria, blue-green algae, fungi, mosses, ferns, gymnosperm and angiosperm under plant all having cell wall. ये सब प्लांट के अंडर आते हैं जिनके पास सेल वॉल होती है. It brought together that prokaryotic bacteria and the blue-green algae cyanobacteria. Blue-green algae that called cyanobacteria and prokaryotic they brought together with other group which is called eukaryotic and the other group that comes into eukaryotic. It also grouped together the unicellular organism and the multicellular one. For example, Chlamydomonas pyrogyra were placed together under algae. The classification did not differentiate between heterotrophic group fungi and the autotrophic green plants. Now, the five kingdom classification is given by R.H. Whittaker, 1969. He proposed five kingdom classification. The main criteria for classification: cell structure, body organization, mode of nutrition, reproduction, and phylogenetic relationship. After that, this is five kingdom classification: Plantia, multicellular; Animalia, multicellular; Fungi, it's also called also in multicellular; Protista, unicellular; Monera, prokaryotes. Now, Monera, bacteria are the sole member of kingdom Monera. Most abundant microorganism. This is most abundant microorganism. It has rigid cell wall of murine and peptoglycan. Histones are absent and ribosomes are 70s types. Archaebacteria is also called ancient bacteria. Halophiles, extreme salty areas. Thermoacidophiles, hot areas, aerobic. Methogens, marshy areas, anaerobic. Now come to eubacteria. That's also called true bacteria. Coccus, spherical shape. Bacillus, rod shape. Vibrio, coma shape. Spirillum, spiral shape. Now come to cyanobacteria. That is also called blue-green algae. They make the colonies generally surrounded by gelatin sheet. They form algae blooms. It fixes atmospheric nitrogen called heterocyst and nostack and anabina. Now, chemosynthetic autotrophic bacteria. It's obtained from food by oxidation of various inorganic substances such as nitrates, nitrites, and ammonia, recycling nutrients like nitrogen, phosphorus, iron, and sulfur. Now, come to heterotrophic bacteria. Most abundant in nature, majority are decomposers. Bacteria reproduce by fission. They produce spores sexually. They also reproduce by conjugate. Stay tuned for part 2 of this chapter.